IDEX has announced something which might prove to be bad news for investors, but what exactly did they announce, and how will the news affect the stock's price? Keep watching as we introduce you to Ideanomics Incorporated and share this news with you. But before we do that, subscribe to our channel, $1 World, for regular penny stock updates. Ideanomics Incorporated is an international company located in New York City, USA, with a purpose to accelerate commercial electric vehicle adoption and develop novel financial services and fintech solutions. Ideanomics, which was founded in 2004, works through numerous divisions and companies that focus on distinct sectors of the economy. The mobility division facilitates the commercialization of EVs by offering fleet operators in areas such as ride-hailing, delivery services, and municipal fleets with procurement, financing, and charging solutions. Ideanomics intends to contribute to a more sustainable transportation environment by easing the transition to EVs. The Capital Division provides customized financial services to help commercial fleets embrace EVs. These options include automobile finance, leasing, insurance, and other associated services. Ideanomics recognizes that financial incentives are critical in persuading businesses to switch to electric cars, and they work hard to give full support to fleet operators. The Ideanomics Mobility Technology Division is dedicated to the advancement and integration of cutting-edge technologies, such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and big data analytics, into transportation and logistics. Ideanomics attempts to improve efficiency, optimize operations, and boost industrial sustainability by using the potential of these technologies. Ideanomics has 5 businesses that specialize in various elements of the EV sector. Some of these subsidiaries are VIA Motors, a manufacturer of electric commercial vehicles, Solatrak, a manufacturer of electric tractors and other agricultural vehicles, Treelectric, a manufacturer of electric scooters and motorcycles, Wave, a provider of EV charging solutions, and US Hybrid, a manufacturer of hybrid and electric power systems for commercial vehicles. The objective of Ideanomics is to be a one-stop shop for commercial EV adoption, including vehicles, charging systems, and finance. Because it provides a comprehensive range of goods and services to fulfill the demands of commercial fleet operators, the firm is well positioned to gain from the expanding demand for electric cars. Ideanomics has been growing its product and service offerings in recent years. Energica Motor Firm, a maker of high-performance electric motorbikes, was bought by the firm in 2022. In addition, Ideanomics intends to debut a new line of electric buses in 2023. Ideanomics has a proven track record of growth and innovation. The U.S. Department of Energy has granted the firm multiple funds to research innovative EV technology. Ideanomics has also received contracts to supply electric vehicle charging systems for major airports and bus fleets. Now that we know everything about Ideanomics, let's see how the stock is performing on the market. IDEX is currently trading at $0.1012 with a market cap of $81.767 million and a total volume of 178,926,101 shares. On Thursday, June 15, 2023, Ideanomics witnessed an increase in its share value despite a slight decline of 0.39% from the previous day's closing price. This dip in the stock price was a result of robust buyer demand, ultimately settling at 10 cents. Throughout the trading session, keen observers closely monitored the stock's price movement. Remarkably, the session concluded with the stock maintaining a steady position at 10 cents, fluctuating within a range of $0.096 and $0.1205. The beta, or 5-year monthly value, was 0.55. In terms of stock performance over the last 52 weeks, the high was 89 cents and the low was 2 cents. Over the last month, the IDEX has moved by 124.89%. Revisions may be a valuable sign for predicting short-term price movement. For the firm, there were no upward or downward revisions in the recent 7 days. We can see from the technical picture of IDEX that short-term indications indicate the company is a 50% sell on average. However, medium-term indications have classified the stock as a 50% sell, while long-term indicators on average have classified it as a 50% sell. Analysts rated the stock's predicted evaluation on a scale of 1 to 5, indicating a strong buy to a strong sell recommendation. According to the technical analysis of Ideanomics Incorporated, or IDEX stock, several key indicators provide insights into its current status. The PEG ratio is currently around 0, indicating a potentially attractive valuation for the stock. In terms of price movement, IDEX is trading approximately 97.29% and 86.45% away from the simple moving averages for the next 20 and 50 days respectively. This suggests a notable deviation from the average price trend. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, stands at 80.08, indicating that the stock is currently in overbought territory. The 7-day volatility ratio is at 40.18%, implying a relatively higher level of short-term price fluctuations, while the 30-day volatility ratio is at 18.51%, indicating relatively lower volatility over a slightly longer time frame. Additionally, IDEX has a beta of 0.57, implying that it is less volatile compared to the overall market. The average true range, or ATR, of the stock is 0.01, suggesting the average price range within each trading period. Looking ahead, analysts expect Ideanomics stock to trade at an average price of $1 over the next 52 weeks, with a projected low and high of $1. However, it's important to note that based on these price objectives, the low represents a 900% decrease from the current price, and the stock would need to decrease by 900% to reach the high target for the year. Furthermore, experts' median price of $1 is likely to be appreciated by investors because it represents a 900% fall from current levels. Trading volumes for Ideanomics have averaged 167.29 million over the last 10 days and 90.18 million over the last 3 months, according to historical data. According to the most recent statistics on outstanding shares from the corporation, there are 561.63 million shares outstanding. Insiders own around 0.30% of Ideanomics Incorporated shares, while institutional investors own 4.60% of the stock. According to short interest data, stock shorts accounted for 83.67 million shares as of May 30th, 2023, for a short ratio of 0.7. According to the statistics, Ideanomics Incorporated had a short interest of 10.36% of shares outstanding as of May 30th, 2023, with 55.57 million short shares registered on April 27th, 2023. Since the beginning of the year, the stock has declined by 38.29%, indicating the possibility of future increase. This might give investors further reason to be bullish about the IDEX stock in the coming quarter. Let's see which hedge funds or institutional investors have added or reduced their stakes in IDEX. During the first quarter, Ideanomics received a significant boost in confidence from institutional investors, with notable increases in holdings by renowned financial entities. Swiss National Bank, for instance, demonstrated its faith in the company by raising its stake in Ideanomics by 11.6%. This resulted in the acquisition of an additional 110,400 shares, bringing their total ownership to 1,059,100 shares valued at $1,186,000. JP Morgan Chase & Company also expressed its growing interest in Ideanomics during the first quarter, bolstering its holdings by an impressive 25.8%. They acquired an extra 72,916 shares, bringing their total ownership to 355,056 shares worth $398,000. Bank of New York Mellon Corp joined the trend by increasing its holdings of Ideanomics by 5.7% during the first quarter. Their purchase of an additional 76,204 shares resulted in a total ownership of 1,415,359 shares valued at $1,585,000. MetLife Investment Management LLC demonstrated a vote of confidence in Ideanomics by raising its holdings by 13.2% in the first quarter. Their additional purchase of 20,211 shares brought their total ownership to 173,192 shares with a value of $194,000. Rumline Advisors also showed their growing interest in Ideanomics by increasing their holdings by 4.1% during the first quarter. Their acquisition of an extra 22,786 shares led to a total ownership of 580,852 shares valued at $651,000. Overall, institutional investors and hedge funds now account for approximately 4.44% of Ideanomics stock. These increases in holdings by prominent financial entities highlight the growing confidence in Ideanomics and its future prospects. Twitter users and online groups are excited about the IDEX stock, expressing tremendous happiness and optimism about its future possibilities. Many netizens have taken to social media platforms to share their enthusiasm and discuss the possibility of the stock soaring to a remarkable $1. Positive attitude towards IDEX suggests a high optimism in its future development and success. Turns out this news wasn't so bad after all, but the only thing stopping us from forming a bullish view on IDEX is the similarity it holds to Mold in terms of price action, going from a price of 25 cents 6 months ago to the current 8 cents. Remember that this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research and make informed investment decisions. That was all for today. Let us know if you think this stock will make you richer or not in the comments section. Hit like and subscribe to our channel, $1 World, for more such penny stock videos, and we will see you in the next one.